How to record your PC screen with audio and video. So if you're using Windows 11, you will simply need to press the Windows key and hold it down, and then hold Shift down and R, and that should bring up the screen recorder, which you can then select an area of the screen and start recording immediately, because that app is shipped with Windows 11. But for Windows 10, we will need to install an external software to do that. So for example, you will need to open your browser and then search for OBS, which is a free software that you can use. Then click on download on the first link, and now click on download installer. You can also get it from Microsoft App Store. So I'm going to click on the installer from the web instead. And once the download is complete, you'll simply need to launch the installer and follow along the steps to install the software. Now, once you open the software, it should look like this. Now, you might need to add a scene at the beginning and then add sources to the scene. So for example, if you want to record your desktop, you would click on the plus button, and then you would add a display capture to capture the entire display. You can also add a window capture or a game capture to capture specific windows or specific games. For example, here I have my screen display capture, which records this desktop window. You can double click on it to customize it, to set the capture method and the display that you want to capture. You can also check if you want to capture the cursor and of course SDR. I recommend this capture method, which is Windows 10 instead of DXGI. This works perfectly, but the other one has some glitches sometimes. So you can, after setting that up, you can simply press start recording to start recording a video, as well as the audio along with it, the desktop audio and your mic. You just gotta make sure that you have your microphone setup. So you can go to settings and you can go to the audio section, and from here for the desktop audio, make sure your speakers are selected or your headset. Same for the mic or the auxiliary audio device. You want to select your microphone here, and then you can press OK and crank up the audio for your desktop audio and your mic so you can hear yourself. If you can see this bar moving, which means it's detecting your audio, as well as the desktop audio for any music or basically audio coming from apps and other stuff. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.